Calming the storm. Matthew 8:23 to 27. It began with a simple journey. Jesus stepped into a boat, and his disciples followed him. The sea lay calm, the sky quiet, the night ordinary. No warning, no signs, just water and wind waiting to change their minds. As the boat moved farther from shore, Jesus lay down and fell asleep. Then the storm rose, not slowly, not politely, suddenly. Waves crashed against the boat, rising higher and higher, spilling water into the vessel. The wind screamed. The sea turned violent. Darkness swallowed the horizon. These men were fishermen. They knew storms. They had survived many before. But this one felt different. This one felt final. The boat was being swallowed. Panic filled the air. Hands trembled. Voices broke. And through the chaos, one detail stood out like a question with no answer. Jesus was still asleep. They rushed to him, shaking him awake, shouting over the wind, "Lord, save us! We are going to drown!" Fear had found its voice. Jesus opened his eyes. He didn't rush. He didn't panic. He didn't even stand immediately. He spoke first, to them. "Why are you afraid, you of little faith?" Then he stood. Jesus turned toward the storm. The wind that howled, the waves that threatened, the chaos that terrified trained sailors. And he spoke. 3 words. "Peace. Be still." And the storm obeyed. The wind dropped. The waves settled. The sea went silent. Not gradually, instantly. The water became smooth like glass. The boat stopped rocking. The night exhaled. The disciples stood frozen, not in fear of the storm anymore, but in awe of the one standing before them. They whispered to one another, "What kind of man is this, that even the winds and the waves obey him?" Moments earlier, they feared death. Now they were standing in the presence of authority. This miracle wasn't just about weather. It was a revelation. Jesus showed that chaos recognizes its creator, that nature responds to his voice, that the same word which spoke the universe into existence can also silence it. And there's something deeper still. The storm didn't stop because the disciples had faith. It stopped because Jesus was present. Even when they panicked, even when they doubted, even when they thought it was over, he was in the boat the whole time. The storm revealed their fear, but it also revealed his power. And the lesson remains. Being with Jesus doesn't mean storms won't come. It means storms don't get the final word. You may feel surrounded, overwhelmed, certain you're sinking. But if he's in the boat, the storm is temporary. The sea may rage. The wind may shout. But one word from him is enough. That night, the storm learned something the disciples never forgot. Chaos may rise, but it must bow.